previous diving service here. We're at the vessel Fiddelers Grain. It is October 29th. I'm going to do a before cleaning video and see if I can't find anything with this new vessel that you need to be aware of. I'll also be doing an after video once it's clean, because obviously fouling can hide sometimes. Let's take a look. So we will need to get a collar zinc on that shaft, or a period for the problem. So when we're swimming the front side, you can see that some of the fish, it's not very bad. It's in pretty good shape. Obviously, we need to clean her up, get some of those big barnacles off, but it looks like a pretty solid hull. We also need to measure the shaft and figure out what size collar zinc. I believe it's a 1 1/4, just from looking at it.